So me and my roommates, Zach and Marcus, are out here with Taylor, Matt, and Blake with their 350Zs, Taylor's Corvette that he's not drifting tonight because no angle is no fun.
No angle and no handbrake. And before people say you can drift with no angle, I understand, but Corvettes have terrible angles. So
Right.
Very, very little. So me and Matt are co-sharing his car.
Nice, that's so nice of you, Matt. Zach and Marcus are going out right now.
Tires are a lot grippier than the other ones.
Yeah, we need to inflate those up to like 50 or something
I think
PSI.
they already are.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it just seems like second gear just doesn't have enough power in it to...
Not at all. Wow.
Taylor's in Matt's car right now. That's pretty
It
solid.
wasn't technically backwards. What feels like backwards is like normal, like not even
Right.
close. Like I'm like, yeah, that's backwards. I'm like, I know it's not though. I know when I
Yeah.
get out, it's not going to be backwards.
I just think it's funny that you're doing all these reverse entries and there's still all the tires and tools in the back.
Yeah, you can hear it clapping around.
Wow.
Wow. Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Fast, slow.
So yes, I did bring the FRS out here. I don't really plan on drifting it too much. I just want to give it a nice good shakedown with the turbo on it. So let's see how it does. It feels so much more different compared to the S13. Like the wheel's just so much heavier because it's electric power steering. But it's fun though, it's just hard to stay in boost. I'm going ahead and pumping up the rear tires. I'm at about 12 PSI, just because when I got it tuned, I wanted to be able to make grip. And while I'm doing this, you got Matt over here doing reverse entries. Wow.
Don't feel good, I'm proud of myself.
Yeah, no, I got that too. You're an animal. Jeez. This is Blake's first time street drifting. See how he does. Ah, so close. He'll get the hang of it. So the cops just came and basically told us to get out of here. So we're gonna do that. Yeah, I got you. I guess this is why you don't street drift. Yet again, another reminder. All right, it is the next day. I am back home. Drift Dad, I have something to tell you. I took that thing street drifting and almost got arrested.
What, you weren't on the street, were you?
Private property.
I tell you, I am not going to come bail you out. I am not. I'm going to say, let him rot. You can rot in the jail cell.
Oh, you can't let me do that.
I will. I will.
I've done a little bit of research, and from talking with Taylor, who's gotten caught plenty of times street drifting, it's not necessarily something I have to worry about getting arrested for unless the police contact the property owners and then the property owners themselves want to go through with pressing charges. So I shouldn't ever get arrested for street drifting as long as I'm not on public roads.
You do it in the parking lots, okay, but just don't do it on the streets.
I don't. And I'll tell you that. I don't.
And I know you. I'm not stupid. I'm not stupid. I guarantee you probably already raced somebody in this thing since you got it tuned.
Yeah? Well, put it this way. If you were my age, you know you would be doing the exact same thing.
No, I would not.
Yeah, you
I would
would.
not. I'm a cop magnet. Anytime I go out and I do something stupid, there's a cop there around the corner, and he comes and nails me. That's been the story of my life ever since my first burnout.
And what car were you doing that burnout
I was in that 73 Chevy Impala station wagon. I reversed, and I thought it was really cool because the muffler had come off. It was an old car at the time. I was with my buddies, and the parking lot was a little wet. And since the car was loud, I thought it'd be cool just to back up and then throw it in drive and do a burnout. And sure enough, as soon as I pulled out of the parking lot, there's a cop right up the street, and he doesn't even get in his car. He just comes out and just waves me on in. I remember his name, Clarence Keckler, Mount Gilead, Ohio. He's retired now, but he was the scourge of every juvenile delinquent in that town.
You said you thought it would be cool to do a burnout. Well, I think it's cool to go to warehouses and drift. So, same boat. You can't argue with me there.
Yeah, but I learned my lesson. You haven't learned your lesson yet.
Okay, you're right. But you're willing to take the FRS, now that it's tuned, out for a couple nice, decent little pulls.
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, but I'm not going to be breaking the law. I'll speed up real fast, but I'm not going to be breaking the law.
Okay, fine. Let's do it. On my way back from Orlando yesterday, I stopped and picked up some more E85. So our ethanol content is reading at about 75%, I guess. Is that how you technically say it?
And it's not quite as loud.
Yeah, no, not at all.
Got rid of the, what do you call it, the far cam?
Yeah, well, no. Turbos act as resonators, too. I will tell you, though, you're going to want to be careful driving it. Like, it will break loose on you.
Oh, I'll be careful. Well, I'm looking forward to, what is it, next Saturday, right?
Yeah, drift event. All right, be careful.
Like 75, just like that. I'd rather be on a track. So is this gonna be too much when I try to drift next weekend?
It will take some getting used to, but other than that, you should be okay.
Hey. That's insane.
You're not even in the second map. 14.5 PSI.
And I don't think I'm qualified to be in that second map.
I'll show you how a real man drives a turbo FRS.
Okay, I'm getting out. I'm walking. Yeah, it's amazing how it just like boom. You're you're doing 30, and next thing you know, you're doing 75.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, doing 55, the speed limit.
All right, hold on to your cojones. We're not even hitting wastegate pressure, only 10 PSI.
Good. not be drifting in the map 2.
Yeah, no, map 2 we don't want to necessarily drift on. It just increases our chances of blowing the engine. Map 1 is plenty of power though for drifting.
So it'll be interesting to see how much I remember from those learner's days.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
She might be calling the cops, so I would.
So yeah, after doing a couple of those pulls, this lady, I see her pulled up right next to us with her phone out and looking over at the car. So I know what she's doing. She's trying to get me in trouble.
Maybe she thought I was really good looking and she wanted my phone number.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah.
So yeah, that was interesting to say the least. I noticed at the corner of my eye that that black car had like pulled up next to us, and I looked over and I see her look back and on the phone and all that.
I still think she thought I was good looking. That was
Yeah.
it wasn't all about it.
That was totally it.
Yeah.
So to play it safe, we didn't do any more pulls. We just came back to the house. We didn't even get to put it in map 2 yet. Even though, yeah, like you said, I don't think you'd be able to handle map 2.
Take it to OSW on the drag strip and put it in map 2.
Yeah, well, we'll need wider tires for that. So with that said, I think that's where this video is going to end. Watch, just watch. With our luck, the police are gonna quickly come up into our driveway and arrest both of us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give me a like, and Drift Dad and I will see you guys next time. Peace.